Click Fuel and Energy. Click Fuel and EV Energy Usage. Select a date period for the report. You can also toggle on sub-periods if you want data broken down by day, week, or month. Select which assets to include in the report. Click Apply. The Fuel and EV Energy Usage table will populate with the fuel and energy consumption by vehicle. You have the option to view the Detected Fillups report by clicking the respective button. You also have the option to view charging events, sessions, and multiple charge events that occur during a single stop by clicking the EV Charging History button. Lastly, you can click the report icon to download an Excel or PDF version of the report. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for tracking fuel and EV energy usage.